Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about how to find pictures that you can attach with your goals or use on your vision board. So I am going to be doing a screen share and kind of show you a couple of ways that you can get pictures. It's pretty simple. You may already know how to do all this. So if you already know how to get your pictures online, feel free to skip this video. But basically, you can just go to, there's a couple free ones. There's Pixabay.com, and they have a lot of free photos. So what you can do is, if your goal is, oh, sorry, I went to the wrong one. If your goal is to lose weight, then, look up some pictures that maybe speak to you. Maybe you're looking for a certain body. Maybe there's a girl with a chiseled body that you're, that's what you want to look like or whatever. And that can be kind of like your goal image. I'm sorry, I spelled it wrong. It's Pixabay. So you can go in here and maybe put weight loss or something like that. And you can see what comes up in the pictures. There's photos here, whatever it is. Let me tell you this though. I want to make sure that whatever picture you pick, it's got to speak to you. So maybe you're scrolling down and, you see this, well, you probably don't want a guy if you're a girl. Maybe you see this girl or something and you're like, wow, like she's ripped. That's how I want to look. That picture is going to motivate me. Whatever it is, make sure that that picture speaks to you. You can even just go to Google and you can just type in, I don't know, women who are buff or something like that. And then you can go to the images and maybe you're like, this bodybuilder girl, that's it. Like, I don't know, whatever it is, you can go and find that. Another one with my books goal, I might just search books and then you can click on images and then you just get a million books. So maybe this library picture speaks to me. So what you want to do when you've got to find a picture for each goal that you've set. So if you've watched my other video, you've set 10 goals already. So you're going to grab 10 pictures for those 10 goals. And what you can do is just right click or, whatever it is, if you're on your phone, you know how to save pictures, screenshot or whatever. And then you're just going to save it. And then what I recommend is saving it to a folder. Create a folder and put all those pictures, the 10 pictures, into that folder so that tomorrow, whenever we go to put this onto our online vision board, they're already there. You can just easily grab them. You're good to go, okay? So today might be pretty simple. Might take you 5 minutes, might take you 30 minutes. I don't know. But you're going to just go online and you're going to find pictures for your goals. And remember, they must speak to you, not just any old little thing, okay? So have fun picking those 10 pictures. Make sure you put them in a folder so they're ready to go tomorrow because we're going to slap them up on a vision board and you are going to be amazed at how quickly we put this baby together. All right, good luck, my